Furnace replacement in Gurnee, Illinois. Is your furnace nearing the end of its lifespan? It's time to consider a furnace replacement. A new furnace can save you money on energy bills, improve home comfort, and extend the lifespan of your HVAC system. In Gurnee, Illinois, the average furnace lifespan is 15 to 20 years. If your furnace is older than this, it may not be as efficient. Signs your furnace needs replacement include age, rising energy bills, uneven heating, strange noises, frequent repairs, inconsistent performance, and poor indoor air quality. Investing in furnace replacement brings several advantages. A new, high-efficiency furnace can significantly reduce energy consumption, lower heating costs, and improve indoor air quality. Modern furnaces distribute warm air evenly, eliminating cold spots, and often come with advanced filtration systems. Gurnee residents may be eligible for rebates and incentives when upgrading to energy-efficient furnaces, offsetting the initial cost and leading to long-term savings. Furnace replacement in Gurnee is a meticulous process. It starts with evaluation and assessment of your existing furnace and heating system. Based on your needs and budget, you and your technician choose a right furnace type and model. The old furnace is safely removed, and the new one is expertly installed, tested, and calibrated. Your home is left clean and tidy after the installation process. Professional installation is crucial for a properly functioning furnace. Certified technicians have the experience and expertise to install furnaces correctly, ensuring safety and peak efficiency. Professional installation also protects your warranty and ensures compliance with local building codes. The upfront cost of a new furnace varies depending on factors like type, size, and efficiency. Consider the long-term energy savings and explore rebates and incentives available in Gurnee. While financing options are not currently offered, a higher upfront investment in a more efficient furnace can lead to substantial energy savings over the years. Don't wait until winter's chill sets in. Contact us today for a consultation or a quote tailored to your furnace replacement needs in Gurnee. Your comfort and peace of mind are our top priorities at Optimized Air.